At Aurses Healthcare, we take pride in the many happy, healthy patients we've helped. Here's what one of our patients had to say about their experience with the Aurses Healthcare clinic.
At first, I didn't know what to expect, but Dr. Hamed Taheri and all the nurses were absolutely amazing. They made my experience easy and definitely calmed my nerves. What helped me most was the positive guidance throughout the entire procedure and explaining the entire process step by step as the procedure was being done. It's only been a month and I already have seen my veins disappear and I feel great. Anyone who needs this treatment, please see the team at Aurses Healthcare's clinic and they will get the job done and having you feel, I would say, like a brand new person.
We look forward to helping you join that company. As Long Beach, California's top choice for vascular surgery, robotic surgery, and vein treatment procedures, we're the healthcare clinic you and your loved ones deserve. Call us today or find us online to find out how we can help you live pain-free and feel like a completely new person. We'll see you soon. Aurses Healthcare, the clinic you look forward to.